My name is Klaus Boel, and I'm a physician here in Clark County. I'm the Chief Medical Officer at Clark Memorial Hospital, as well as a practicing pediatrician. I was actually the first person here at Clark County Hospital to take the vaccine. Because I am Chief Medical Officer, I decided I would put my arm where my mouth is, so to speak, and take the vaccine, which I feel very good about. I have taken this vaccine because I have seen the effects of what this virus has had on our community, both inside the hospital as well as outside the hospital, not only on patients, but also all the nurses, all the providers, all the people working in the hospital. It's just been a really, really hard year for everybody. On a personal level, I have elderly parents that I'm concerned about, and certainly am ready to make sure they get the vaccine as soon as they are eligible. Same for my spouse and the rest of my family. I strongly encourage you to take this vaccine. It's the only way we're going to get out of this pandemic, and we're all ready to move on and get our lives back to normal. But without this vaccine, I just don't feel there's a good path to that.